Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to install this, an engine hour meter on your Honda HRX217 lawnmower. Now, before we get started, if you want to install an hour meter on any piece of equipment you own, whether it's a pressure washer, an edger, a snowblower, a motorcycle, it doesn't matter. These are awesome because it'll tell you how many hours you have on the machine, and it'll help you keep track of your maintenance. So I'm going to put a link to this on Amazon where I purchased this, and I'm going to show you exactly how I installed this. It is very, very easy and anybody can do it. I'm going to show you how next. These supplies to do this job are very easy. Number one, you're going to need a couple of zip ties. I have a assortment here that I've used on different projects in the past. You're going to need some Velcro. This happens to be white. You can get this, in fact I'll put a link on Amazon for the Velcro, and you'll need a 10mm socket. First, remove the 3 screws that hold the recoil start system. Once that's out, just set the recoil, set it aside like that, and you'll be able to lift this cover up. The cover will come straight up. It will have the gas tank with it. Just lay it to the side like this. Now, I already installed this, so I'm just going over the steps, but the wire that you'll get with this is about a couple of feet long. And basically all I did was wrap the wire around the spark plug wire, and this will obviously will work on anything that's got a spark plug. And then I took 2 zip ties to secure the wire, the end of the wire, and I ran the wire right here. Now this will allow me to still take the air filter cover off and replace it without having to remove the wires. And it's a really good place that's it has less vibration here than it would, because it's sort of shock absorbed. But I took one more zip tie and secured it to the wire here just so it wouldn't flop around. And then I took a piece of Velcro that was about 1.5 inches long. I cut it, and I took both pieces of the tape off so it'll be sticky, stuck it to the back, and then stuck that right to the air cleaner. And the Velcro comes like this. It's together. If you've never used Velcro before. And that's basically it. Now to put this back, simply slide this back. And let me show you one thing. There's a, you may not be able to see it, but there's a groove in the plastic here that this wire fits on, or in between. So you can just feel that with your fingers, put it in the groove, and it slides right down just like that. Then all you got to do is take your 3 nuts. Well, after you put the recoil cover back, or the recoil system back on, make sure it engages the fan of the engine. Just snug them down, and that's it. Now, if you don't want to put the hour meter here, you could mount it on the handlebars. I didn't want to do that just because I just think it works better here. I don't have to run the wire all the way up. But you can put it wherever you want to. Now, the good thing about this is it shows the hours, and it also shows the engine speed. It's got a tachometer on it. And I'm going to show you that next when I have the engine actually running. And that's all there is to it. You can see when the engine is off. I just installed this. It only has 0.5 hours on it. So, if you have a weed eater, a blower, a lawnmower, whatever, this is an awesome addition. And do it. Just go out there and get it done. Thanks for watching.